Hello, good night, partner. My name is Maria Jose Diaz Escobar. This is my theory of video. Consonant sound. G, W, Z. G, no, Z. The letter Z change sound in various words. Is pronounced as J in some word and J in the other word. There are rules that govern word to pronounce letter J as G, our G. The first rule is the letter J is pronounced as G when it is followed with letter E, A, or, and some early learning of English find the two words angle and angel. Confusing in pronunciation, the J in angle is pronounced as J in the name Angola, with the J in the word angel is pronounced as the J in the name Jones. The W is made through the mouth and voice, which means the vibration your vocal cords to make a sound. The W sound is usually spelled with the letter W or wash as it were, but in the other part of sound may be the letter which is pronunciation which. For example, question. And also the few word the W sound doesn't have any letter like one. The other example is what. Okay, and the Finnish consonant is Z. The consonant Z is consonant pair, corresponding to initial consonant sounds in the word like zoo and zebra. And the final one is snake, and jazz. It is normally spelled with S is in das our consonant. With initial Z, zapping, zebra, zero, zone, zoo. With final Z, amazing, buzz, freeze, zeiss, price. In the mean position, crescent, crazy, daisy, magazine, lazy. Okay, partner, it's a final activity. Thank you so much.